Hello, in this video we will see that how we can save the file in new folder and how we will open it in later. Here in the top corner of the page we have this section. This first file show us the folder we are currently working in, which is tutorial 1. We can keep the folder name, and what will happen is that we will save a file in this folder. If we save to create a new folder, we need to change the name to something that is not already in our directories in our account. Right now we only have tutorial 1 folder and tutorial NMR, so let's try to change the folder name like that. Note that slash character is not allowed in the file or folder name, so Fitteia will replace it. But to show you what happens if in this case I will leave the character here. Now we need to type the name we want to give the file. So I put the name here and you can see it. After the changing the name of the file, which I put is test. So we have two options, overwrite and archive. Overwrite will create a file with the name of test. If we choose archive, the file name will also include the date and time, so we don't accidentally overwrite it. Let's we try to do, and we will do it with the changing the value of g. So let's try overwrite and then change the value of g, which already we fit 9.8. So now I will click on overwrite, then change the value of g 9.8 and do the fit. Archive this file now. In the menu, we see two files. This one is from overwrite and other is from archive. If we open the first one, we will see G 1.62. So please recover. So you can see the value of G is 1.6 and I will plot it. If we will get the same graph we had when the save it, if we open the latest file which is already selected, we will see the fitting with G 9.8. If after that, if I will open my fits, you can see our new folders, and you will notice that the slash character was replaced with a dash, and slash are not allowed in the folder or file name. Try this step in Fitteia to learn more about managing folders and files. See you in next video.